Hey guys, this is my 2011 BMW X5. It's an E70. It's the xDrive 50i. I love this thing, but I have been having an issue with the rear deck rattle, and this is a video just telling you how I resolved it. So this is a recording of the actual rattle. It was taken with the microphone placed right in the trunk, so it's a little loud. Not overwhelming, but definitely not the sound you would expect coming from a BMW. So here's how we go about fixing it. So just listening, I wouldn't have guessed this, but it turns out that the rattling is actually coming from the lower latch, not the upper latch. So like the lower deck lid that folds out. To get to it, obviously, you're just going to open up the lower deck lid and pop off these plastic covers, and they just pop off by pulling them. After you remove the covers, you'll see that there's two 12mm bolts, and that's what connects the actual latch here to the trunk lid. So what I did to resolve this was just take a Sharpie and mark where the actual latch is currently lined up to the frame. And then I took my 12mm ratchet and I loosened the bolts just enough so I could adjust the connector, and I just moved it towards the body of the car 1 to 2mm and retightened. Now ideally you would do another test to see if this worked, but I just did it on both sides just to be safe. So I just repeated the exact same process over here: loosen, adjust, and tighten. Once you've done that on both sides, you can go ahead and close it up and take it for a test drive and see if it resolved your rattle. That's it guys, thanks for checking out the video. If it helped you out, please go ahead and hit the like button and also subscribe button, really appreciate it. Thanks.